next naman guys is kapag um, day of operation yun na, matulog kayo ng minimum 6 hours. And make sure na huwag na kayong manood ng Netflix, huwag na kayong manood ng anything. Just rest your eyes and then have a good night's sleep. And then, magpa-drive kayo if meron magdadrive sa inyo. For my case kasi, I have to leave my car sa bahay kasi um, walang magdadrive sa akin. So, hindi kasi pwedeng mag-drive after ng operation. So, kapag nandun na kayo sa clinic, there will be like another set of checkup. Yung parang yung ginawa sa inyo before, it will be repeated this time. Tapos, maraming eye apparatus na naman ang makakaharap nyo guys. And then after that, kakaroon ng several procedure and then checking if you're good to go. Tapos, after that, prepare na kayo for the surgery. Nakakatuwa kasi makikita nyo ang daming nakapila sa surgery. Kasi mabilis lang talaga siya guys eh. Doon nga sa preparation area, parang 6 kami na naka-waiting doon kasi parang sunod-sunod yung mangyayaring procedure. So for my case, my operation or my surgery, it happened from 9:09 a.m. until 9:25 a.m. So yun, tinimingan ko talaga siya para at least, remembrance ko yun sa sarili ko na naging matapang ako during that time. Tapos, nakakatawa lang kasi yung doctor ko, nakapagpatawa siya kasi sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi yun naman talaga yung nangyari. Sobrang kabado as usual. Sabi na lang ni doctor, pag kinabahan ka, sabi niya, magdasal na lang. So meaning, pag nasa operation room ka na, there's no turning back. Kasi binayaran mo na rin naman yun eh. So nakakatawa yung experience. And then after that, after the procedure, medyo blurry pa siya, pero i-assist ka naman ng mga nurses doon going back to the preparation. Tapos, dandun ka muna for, like, I guess, 5 minutes para you can rest. And then, at the same time, you can prepare before going home. And then, someone will go to you again to explain ano yung mga drops that you will use for the first 7 days, kung paano mo siya gagamitin. And then, it will also give you a reminder na, you need to go back the next day. So yun guys, you need to go back the next day for the first checkup. So I suggest, say, if you can, because this is my plan before na mag-rent na lang ako or mag-hotel ako after the operation. Pero since wala nga akong makakasama, umuwi na lang din ako ng bahay namin. So, nag-grab pa kami ng sister ko na ang mahal. Parang 650 ata yung inaabot. So, yun. So, anyway, so bumalik pa ako the next day. So, yun. So, if you can, rent a hotel or, book a hotel, for before, after your operation, then better. Para naka-rest na kayo agad. Kasi, maganda rin na nakapagpahinga na kayo. And, the operation itself, sobrang tolerable yung pain. Parang wala nga siyang pain at all. Basta very little. For someone like me na ang hina ng tolerance sa pain. So, yun. So, yung operation itself, wala siyang pain. Yun siya, guys.